What be that sound where they come out from kitchen? That soundtrack when I hear from kitchen. Who get that soundtrack?
Soundtrack?
I just go straight to the point. You just doke finish now.
What did you say?
I say you just doke finish now. I be never doke finish now.
What is doke? I don't know what doke. What do you mean doke? What's doke?
You just be shown.
Bishan. What's Bishan?
Oh, Bishan. I say you just Bishan. I said Bishan. You just knock now. You tell me say you know. I don't know if you don't. Let's say you don't know it at the top. You knock, abi you don't knock.
Knock. What's knock?
Okay. You don't know. Make a demonstrate time. You just pound. Girl, Nana for kitchen. Yes or no? Because I hear the soundtrack.
Soundtrack? Oh yes, I just remembered. The only soundtrack you must have heard from the kitchen is the plantain noise from the fry pan.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want some?
May God not let me want some. I will never want some. I'm not gonna fit up your plantain. Because I know plantain when I see plantain. If you put fry pan for fire, put groundnut oil, throw plantain, wait till you go here now. But the sound where I hear now, which plantain they sound, even plantain chips they not give you,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.